All right, let's talk about this. I wonder if you can help me figure out this one. I'm gonna start up this video from the beginning. I already programmed every single of the position, so the finger it's going to pick up the pallet and put it in a random place according to the logic in my PLC. The issue that I'm seeing is that sometimes, for some unknown reason, the pallets fall down to the floor. It seems like it has something to do with the finger itself, and I was wondering if this is a variability that was injected into this animation, so we need to program around that, or it has something to do with the perhaps this low performance frame here. As you can see, let me put it again. Okay, hold on one second, right there. You see, for some reason, that one got screwed up and the pallet were not able to be picked up correctly or placed correctly. Please let me know if this is a problem with the animation itself. The logic is sequentially. It was programmed to repeat every cycle exactly the same. So if it places one of the pallets correctly, it will just repeat that cycle again with the addition, with the only difference is that a new position number is generated at random. As you could see, it's doing it pretty well, but sometimes it seems like the finger, the pickup finger, or that tray that picks up the pallets, sometimes it has too much acceleration or maybe some trembling or vibration, and therefore it screwed up the entire sequence. Let me know if this is something wrong with this is something done on purpose, so the programmer has to take this into account, or are you aware of this issue and you're trying to fix it somehow? Well, let me know. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.